Good morning, teacher. My name is Rafael Reyes, and this is my pronunciation workshop for activity number two. Um, this is the first slide, and so on. So I'm going to start with the pronunciation. One, a bunny hops in the field. Two, the girl liked her ice cream. Three, this car is very fast. 4. That boy is really smart. 5. The children bought some candies. 6. She wears she wears a nice dress. 7. He wears a cool jacket. 8. We ate a delicious hot dog. 9. The cat jumped off the roof. 10. The dog bit the postman. 11. They ran 10 kilometers in the marathon. 12. They watched a new film. 13. These cupcakes taste wonderfully. 14. Those computers are not working. 15. I have finished this task. That's it, teacher. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.